I took a short trip to Foothills Parkway to try out a new lens I recently purchased. I was able to catch a bird in the bushes, and after a few adjustments I was able to focus in and take a few good pictures of the bird. I then changed back over to my regular lens and took several photos of the mountains. I also took a time-lapse video of the mountains that really turned out amazing. It's already posted on my Facebook and YouTube pages. The final stop was at a pull-off that had a beautiful frozen waterfall. The close-ups of the ice came out really nice. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe to Ben2Fly Photography on Facebook, YouTube and Instagram.